again. Kronos underestimates me still, which means I have a real chance to vanquish him.
Yes?
I'll be keeping an eye on the tent for you while you're out all night, Mel.
Take care of the tent.
Look at what we got.
Let's try this on.
Huh? I don't see you ever wearing those. Can I have them?
See ya.
Greetings. A demon spirit bearing ignium, but where?
The phrase you told me ended up revealing a new aspect of the Umbral Flames, a dark god known as Supai. Is that name?
Not until now. The Fates presumably chose each and every bearer of the Arms of Night. Those bearers may not be bound by blood, but are connected still. And it seems I was to be your link to this Supai.
How can it be that there are underworld gods that neither of us know? Most of them must be your mother's side.
I couldn't say. Perhaps there shall be other underworlds besides our own. Or there already are.
That's quite far-fetched.
True.
Moonlight guide you home tonight.
What compels you to fill this place with your rubbish, Eris? Do you wish to be welcome here only as a technicality?
Since when am I supposed to care what anybody thinks? You're all about borrowing from the earth. I'm just giving something back.
That's... ugh.
Don't think too much about it, sister. Just join in a little while.
Full moon tonight. Have you been finding anything of use out there in your forays? No point returning empty-handed, though you may lack the necessary tools, I suppose.
Erebus still teems with hidden life. I'm finding all sorts of things we need out there. I'm very grateful for the purse. It never weighs me down.
A witch cannot afford to be encumbered. The blessings and such from your relatives may be fleeting, but whatever goes into that purse isn't going anywhere. Not till you use it, of course.
Trade you. I'm short on bones.
Counting on you tonight.
Let's see. You and the goddess Artemis make quite a force out there, by all accounts. And you sing together beautifully at that. Olympus sent her to check up on us.
I think so, yes. But I have complete trust in her, if that's what you're wondering. She tells Olympus no more than they need to know to rest assured about our partnership.
She is by nature rather cautious, isn't she? Well, for my part, I'm pleased you have in her not just an ally, but a friend.
For my part, too. Into the earth you go. Let me see. There. Ready.
Witchy.
Show me what you can do. Selene.
She come all the way from Congress to do it.
My brother must have been immensely strong, if he could sometimes even take my father when they sparred. Is there some favorite technique of his that you could pass along?
No, there is not. My disciples must each follow their own path.
Commander, we have no reason to fight. I'm honored as your bearer. Return. Nix. Can't do it.
A solid hit. There goes my body parts. How about another?
Xinth, reveal your secrets.
They better be good.
You are bound to me, and I am your bearer.
Now we're done.
The aspects of the nocturnal arms. Stay here. Join me? The oath beckons. Unfinished business here. For the Silver Sisters. Hear me, Lord Hephaestus, for this offering of ambrosia is for you, the hardest working blacksmith on Olympus or below. Through everything that's happened, you've remained steadfast and calm, and helped me do the same.
You think me calm? What I really want to know is, how'd you blast? Can do.
Not now. You test my patience. I've always thought the world beautiful. It's a...
From you, this nectar surely shall be sweeter than the rest. So when the clouds begin to darken up, I can see why you became the star pupil of the Witch of the Crossroads, sweetness.
Into Aphira. Imbued with greater strength.
Soon you shall face me. They come.
Olympus, I accept this message.
No survivors?
Fine work as always.
They never give their stuff to me themselves, the mountain.
You tried to outdrink Lord Dionysus. Even...
Word is the fates themselves are gone. Too bad. I always wanted that job for myself. Not that they could be killed.
You always wanted to kill the three fates for deciding...
Certainly, if not for them, I wouldn't be here. Try not to die.
We showed them, Tula. Still in their shades. Thank you for holding our family together through the most trying of times, Queen Hera. And...
That's very kind of you, my dear. But my memory is long and sharp, and I'd not li- Traveling this way again, keen, are you, my dear? Doubtless.
Very well. Should put a dent into that barrier.
Are you on your way here to us, Flower?
Need to recharge. Tila! Queen Hera. Right. They never learn. Couldn't do it. What's Hermes offering this eve? In the name of Hades. Come on out. It's a ribeye.
Such a night.
Yeah, you know, I think...
Oh, it's just... I'd stashed away old herbal remedies my aunt had...
Wow, that was awful generous of you.
Why, certainly.
time. Some gemstones.
Don't go anywhere, sheep.
The wheel. The droplet. Transfer now.
For you.
Delivery arrived.
Here in the sky, I am immune to earthly troubles, such as having to share living space with the goddess of retribution. Nemesis never treated me as a sister. She inherited only her mother's strength. Your choice? Twilight Curse.
Hear me, on my authority. Better. Shamblers. Can't do it.
Cheers, Em.
Behold.
It's no use.
Even titans and gods are quite vulnerable creatures deep down. For we are all driven by a most delicate instrument as liable to stir our spirits or drive us to despair, as my dear Aphrodite knows full well.
Come now, my queen. The heart's the strongest part we've got, and tougher than it seems. We've withstood a bit upon this mountaintop, but we can take much more. Especially when our hearts all beat as one.
For the underworld. Madam Cersei. I know you have no want of nectar at the moment.
Oh, why, if it isn't ambrosia! A precious gift!
Well, seeing as you've taught me more of how to manifest my will, I think...
It veritably can, thank you. Then to the fortune of our meetings here and hen.
Please enjoy it.
Not only all of this seawater must feel very disconcerting, little miss.
I'm getting used to it. My path into the underworld requires me to skirt the edge of Oceania.
Oh, yes, I do indeed. I grew up underneath the sea, and Skilla I remember from my youth. It is done.
Ooh. Victory. Take me away.
From the rift.
Change of course. Not now. Selene, show my foe to me. Monument cleansed.
Grow strong under the stars.
One with Selene. Dead ahead. Can't right now.
Mind if I swoop in?
Here, Icarus. Good work. You shouldn't let Eris boss you around, you know?
Easy for you to say. You're immortal like she is. We shake.
You don't shrivel up in my presence. You're not a coward, Icarus, so why...
I figure there's already enough conflict at the moment. Eris doesn't really get to me. I just don't mind letting her think she does. Not like my latest work. You're all set.
Thanks.
Be safe.
You've got Hephaestus to come out of his shell. All I can get from him are work orders. Package here.
With the grace of the moon.
Your path is set. Available for you.
Olympus, I accept this message. Swiftness. You mean the metallic droplet that I have, my lord? A gift from Hermes himself. No, but...
Look who. Ugh, you look like Nyx. That's still the black...
This is Nyx's own aspect of Cassynth, which deemed me worthy to be...
Discipline me? Babe, I used to fight with Nyx all the time. How's this? Hey, kids!
Your great rival vanquished for the night.
The realm grows stronger. Seeds. There. Should work. All right, Tula. Target sighted. Olympus, I accept this message. Excellent. I bear the black coat. Fine work as always. Something else. Excellent timing.
Such terrifying might.
I'm pleased to know your family in the underworld is safe, as well as Nyx and those who served the House of Hades. For all our troubles...
Kronos took his wrath out on my father, but my mother and the rest were imprisoned in an instant, frozen in time. They awakened with no knowledge of this whole ordeal.
Perhaps they are the most fortunate ones in all this, though we shall have to be... Wisely decided. Now I must go.
Something to procure.
Tula, be my guest. It's over. Look what we got, Tula. In the name of Hades. Such strength.
Again we meet.
The gods are grudgingly permitting this behavior of yours, Titan.
My master, or perhaps my former master, as I now...
And you're prepared to fight eternally against me, then? For my
I am prepared to fight eternally for what I believe in.
Never hesitate.
lick your wounds. Feather. Maybe I should switch.
Do beware ahead.
Typhon storm. I don't like either one of you. Was settled. Hear me, on my authority. Lord Hermes. A few more floors. Olympus, I accept this message. Say something, Homer? Sure. Hot out. Freshly caught.
Hey, make short work of the big guy up there.
More scales.
Prepare yourself. themselves have abandoned you, granddaughter. Or perhaps merely running late. Get back here, monster! Turn back?
You have made a grave error.
Do you think if I was but a bit more careful, then... useless little girl. How frightening. How did you... This is an outrage.
Another void lens.
A victory paid for with ample blood. This world is filled with monsters large and small, and for the most part, they are not unstoppable, as evidenced by our Dark Princess of the Dead, who thus decides to take a little break.
Return to Shadow now.